name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. In this lecture, I'm going to create budgets. That how we can create budgets in QuickBooks Desktop. So we have two types of budgets in QuickBooks Desktop. One is P&L or profit and loss, and another is balance sheet. So for creating budgets, click on company, then click on planning and budgeting, then click set up budgets. And here you can see click on create new budget, and from here you can choose the year for which you want to create budget. For example, I'm going to create budget for 2026, and here you can see two types of budgets that you can choose anyone you want to create budget for it. For example, I'm creating budget for profit and loss. Then click on next, and if you have a specific customer jobs or projects, so you can click on projects by the time you want to create budget for it. If you want to create budget for all companies, so then click no additional criteria, then click on next, and here you can see create budget from scratch. If you want to create budget manually and enter amount manually to each account, so you should click on create budget from scratch. If you want to create budget from the previous year data, so then click on create budget from previous year's actual data, then click on finish. Here you can see different types of accounts, so you can assign the amount for each account. For example, for sales, I am assigning amount for January, that how much we will have sales in January, in the month of January. For example, 560,000. If your sales are same to each month, so then click on copy across at the January uh, column and copy across, so this amount will be the same amount will be assigned to each month. For example, services, if we have services for the month of January, and they may differ from the month of February, so you can manually write and assign the amount to each month. So if your amount are same for each month, so then click on copy across, so the rest month will be same. And for example, advertising and promotion, I am just assigning 16,000 for January, and across to all months, assign this amount to all months. And I have another account by the name of fuel expenses. You can assign to all accounts by the time if you have your business has the all of accounts in their use in your yearly accounting periods. So for each account you can assign the amount. After it, you can click on save, and then click on OK, and then click on reports, and then click on budget and forecast, and then click on budget overview. From here you can check your budget. For example, from here you select for each year. For example, 2026, I am going to overview the budget of to profit and loss for 2026, and then click on next, and here it shows that the account by month for each month, then click on next and click on finish. So you can see here the budget for profit and loss for the year of 2026, and here you can see that how much our expenses will be in each month, and how much will be our profit and gross profit for each month. So you can assign and create budget for it. And again, I'm going to create budget for balance sheets. So I'm going to click on create new budget, and here I'm choosing the year and the choosing type of budget, then click on next, then click on finish. And here, for example, I'm going to assign the amount for inventory asset for the month of January, and copy across if the months are same. And for example, furniture, 400,000 and 300,000 and 200,000. You can manually enter to each month as well. And then click on save and then click on OK and check your repos that your budget. Click on it and then you can see choose the budget for the year and the type of budget from here. Then click next, then click finish. So you can see balance sheet budget overview from here, that I assign the amount to the all year. This was the process of creating budget in QuickBooks Desktop.